Tourists and holidaymakers are still contemplating to spend their time in Lake Mbura National Park, Western Uganda, as they may have to wait until the stagnant waters cleared from poor roads that connect to the park. The road, which is badly affected due to torrential rains, is found in Nsango sub-county, and this is the way to the park used by the tourists and businessmen. Lake Mbura National Park neighbors say pipes which previously flushed out the water have broken down.
Rwabarata-Sanga Road has become impassable. What is government thinking about? Do they think about us? Do they think about our lives? Surely, we need some assistance.
Amon Mujuni, another trader, was found stuck with a vehicle carrying bananas.
Surely, we traders are suffering a lot. We are begging government to come and work on the roads. Even the national park vehicles get stuck.
Uganda Wildlife Authority says they don't understand why Kirihura District local government has deliberately downplayed their plea of coordinating and working on the roads, yet they are the first beneficiaries.
The priority projects, first of all, was the road maintenance.
But it's not maintained.
It's the first thing, because if it is a cut off like now, right now, there's no money, we don't receive money.
Then they also
that means they also don't receive, that means they also affected.
Meanwhile, the chief warden of Lake Mbura National Park says acacia trees are eating up the national park, and this has inconvenienced tourists. Report by Halson Kagure for Urban TV in Kirihura District.